Hey, I'm Ramona, and I'm about to show you something shocking, so take a deep breath and watch the following video.
Aromatherapy is a practice that can benefit in a whole host of meaningful and life-changing ways. The ways in which aromatherapy can alter your environment and improve the quality of your life are numerous. And the science behind the treatment is sound. Most who seek the serenity that is available through aromatherapy are already aware of the soothing effects that are possible by introducing therapeutic scents into your life on a regular basis. What is most important is the way in which you can utilize this revolutionary means of overall wellness to make the difference in several areas of your personal and professional life. The experts at doTERRA are experienced in creating the types of essential oils that are perfect at delivering the kind of tones and aromas to produce amazing results. A result you can expect from essential oils aromatherapy includes a more focused and calm demeanor, a tranquility that will free your mind to handle issues that are daily struggles for so many. This change in your mindset will not only free you to better handle your daily tasks, but invigorate you with an energy to fuel your most ambitious pursuits. If you have ever felt as if something was not right, or that you were sluggish and unmotivated, the culprit can be any one of a number of reasons. One way to isolate and identify how you can experience a better set of feelings and energy level is by infusing your life with the soothing scents that are capable through essential oils from doTERRA. Bringing the kind of results that are possible by way of essential oils is also a business opportunity of which you can become a part. Selling essential oils is not only a way for making yourself money through a successful business plan, but a means for delivering the kind of peace and therapy that essential oils provide to your friends, family, coworkers, and others. Customers can choose individual oils for targeted results for specific conditions, or a blend of scents for a truly holistic approach to feeling better and performing at your very best. doTERRA guides on our informative website will help you select the combination of essential oils that will provide you with the help and relief you deserve. Our high-quality essential oils are available for you to sell as an independent product consultant. And as a consultant, doTERRA will provide the training tools and informative consultation you need to go out and reap the success you are capable of enjoying.
So, what are you waiting for? Take action now and enjoy your friends' compliments.